Have you ever felt like managing money is more complicated than it should be? You're not the only one. Navigating the financial world can be filled with unexpected challenges, but with the right knowledge, you can avoid common pitfalls. In this video, we're going to uncover some typical financial mistakes and show you how to dodge them effectively. Whether you're just starting to take control of your finances or looking to fine-tune your strategy, these tips are for you. Let's embark on this journey to smarter financial management together. Not having a budget. One of the most fundamental yet often overlooked aspects of financial health is budgeting. A well-planned budget acts as a blueprint for managing your income and expenses effectively. Start by tracking your income and categorizing your expenses. Understanding where your money goes each month is key to identifying potential savings and controlling unnecessary spending. Remember, a budget is not set in stone. It's a flexible tool that should be adjusted as your financial situation changes. Ignoring emergency savings. Many people underestimate the importance of an emergency fund until it's too late. This financial buffer can save you from debt during unexpected events like a medical emergency or sudden job loss. Aim to set aside enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Starting small is okay. What matters is that you're consistently contributing to this fund. Consider automating your savings to make it easier. Having an emergency fund offers not just financial security, but also peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for life's surprises. Overusing credit cards. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. While they offer convenience and rewards, overusing them can lead to spiraling debt and financial stress. The key is to use credit cards wisely. Always try to pay off the full balance each month to avoid interest charges. Be mindful of your credit utilization ratio. Keeping it below 30% can positively impact your credit score. Also, resist the temptation to spend beyond your means just for rewards or cashback. Treat your credit card like a tool for convenience, not a license to overspend. Falling for investment hypes. In the investment world, it's easy to get caught up in the latest trends or hot tips. However, following the crowd without doing your research can lead to significant losses. It's essential to approach investments with a critical eye. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Take the time to understand the fundamentals of any investment, its risks, historical performance, and how it fits into your overall financial strategy. Remember, if an investment seems too good to be true, it probably is. Solid, well-researched investments are the foundation of long-term financial success. Neglecting insurance. Insurance is often seen as an unnecessary expense until it's desperately needed. Having adequate insurance coverage is crucial in protecting yourself from unforeseen financial disasters. Assess your needs for different types of insurance like health, auto, home, or life insurance. Shop around for policies to get the best coverage at a reasonable price. Remember, insurance is an investment in your financial security. It can save you from draining your savings or going into debt when unexpected events occur. Regularly review and update your insurance policies to ensure they match your current life situation. Overlooking retirement savings. It's never too early to start thinking about retirement. Neglecting to save for your golden years can lead to financial insecurity later in life. Take advantage of retirement saving plans like 401(k) or IRAs, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. That's free money. The power of compound interest means the earlier you start saving, the better. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to create a retirement plan that aligns with your long-term goals. Remember, preparing for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent, disciplined saving is key. Living beyond means. Living beyond your means can lead to financial pitfalls. It's crucial to match your expenses with your income to avoid this trap. Lifestyle inflation often accompanies rising incomes, tempting individuals to increase spending. However, prioritizing saving and investing surplus earnings is key. Establishing and adhering to a practical budget is essential, distinguishing between necessities and desires. True financial freedom stems from prudent money management, not material possessions. By living within your means, you lay the groundwork for a stable and prosperous future. This approach fosters security and comfort. By living within your means, you lay the groundwork for a stable and prosperous future. This approach fosters security and comfort, ensuring you're prepared for any financial challenges that may arise. Remember, it's not about the quantity of possessions, but the quality of financial decision making that paves the way to lasting prosperity and peace of mind. Not reviewing financial statements. Regularly reviewing your financial statements is akin to keeping your finger on the pulse of your financial health. It's not just about scrutinizing numbers, it's about understanding the story they tell. By consistently monitoring your bank and credit card statements, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where you can save or adjust your budget. Moreover, it serves as a safeguard against errors or fraudulent activities, ensuring the security of your finances. Cultivating the habit of reviewing your statements empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. It's a proactive approach to managing your money, providing clarity and peace of mind. So, make it a ritual to review your statements regularly. It's a simple yet potent tool in your arsenal for achieving and maintaining financial well-being. Ignoring debt. Ignoring debt is akin to neglecting a ticking time bomb. It's a recipe for escalating troubles. Addressing debt proactively is pivotal for attaining financial stability. Begin by compiling a comprehensive list of all outstanding debts, along with their respective interest rates. Prioritize tackling high-interest debts first while ensuring you meet the minimum payments on others to prevent further accumulation. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, seeking guidance from a financial advisor, or exploring debt consolidation options can provide much-needed support. Remember, navigating the journey of debt repayment demands discipline and patience, but the eventual liberation and peace of mind it affords make every effort worthwhile. By confronting debt head-on, you pave the way toward a brighter financial future, unburdened by the weight of unpaid obligations. Avoiding financial education. One of the biggest financial pitfalls is a lack of education. Investing time in learning about personal finance can pay off significantly. There are countless resources available: books, online courses, podcasts, and blogs that cover a wide range of financial topics. Educating yourself helps you make informed decisions, avoid common mistakes, and grow your wealth effectively. It also empowers you to ask the right questions when seeking professional financial advice. Commit to continuously learning about personal finance. It's an investment in yourself that yields lifelong returns. Failing to diversify investments. Putting all your investment eggs in one basket can be risky. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your investment portfolio. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical locations. This strategy helps cushion your portfolio against market volatility and potential losses in any one area. Regularly review and adjust your investments to maintain a balanced portfolio. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is more likely to weather financial storms and provide steady growth over time. Impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly derail even the best financial plans. To control impulsive spending, start by identifying triggers. Are you an emotional shopper, or do sales easily tempt you? Create a waiting period rule for big purchases. Giving yourself time to think can prevent regrettable spending. Also, setting a budget for discretionary spending can help keep impulsive buys in check. Remember, every dollar saved from impulse spending is a dollar that can be invested in your financial future. Congratulations on taking a step towards avoiding common financial pitfalls. Remember, managing money is a skill that can be learned and improved over time. Be proactive in budgeting, save diligently, invest wisely, and educate yourself continuously. And remember, everyone makes mistakes, but it's how we learn from them that counts. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Money Magnify. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful financial advice. Here's to your financial success and growth.